the ability to get more answers out of a model makes it more valuable. So to me, the value of a model goes up proportional to the number of answers you can get. One of the challenges in a spreadsheet environment is that when you make a change to the spreadsheet, it's whatever was there before is now gone, and now you have something new. So something that we patented is the ability to layer assumptions. It's sort of like transparencies on an overhead projector, where you have your base projection, and then on top of it, I overlay another modification to it. What was there before is still there. They both coexist. It's just like layering a transparency on top and saying, okay, I'm going to change this portion of the model without breaking what was already there. So now I can add something new into the model, answer a new question, and if I don't like what I changed, I just go and get rid of that layer. Rather than saying, okay, I just changed it. If you're in a spreadsheet environment, if you did it live, it's undo, 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 undo to remove all those things. Or you had to make a copy and save it, and now all of a sudden start making these new changes so that you have the ability to keep what you had before. You can just go in and just add a new layer, put in a change to the model, either data or change in formula or some combination of it, without breaking what was originally there. So it just makes the model that much more flexible. And all of a sudden you can try new things without scaring yourself to death.